JSE, nothing but core Java. There are 4 important packages in Java JSE API. First one, java.io. Second one, java.lang by default package. Third one, java.util. Fourth one, java.sql. The packages contain classes and interfaces. Again, these classes and interfaces contain variables and methods. Here some of the important classes and interfaces. First one, java.io. Interfaces. Serializable classes. Buffer reader, data input stream, data output stream, file input stream, file output stream, file reader, file writer, input stream reader, object input stream, object output stream, print writer, reader, writer. Second one, java.lang by default package. Interfaces. Clonable clone method. Comparable int compared to. Iteratable, runnable, classes, boolean, byte, character, class, class loader, double, enum, float, integer, long, math, number, object, runtime, short, string, string buffer, string builder, system, thread, thread group, thread local, throwable. Third one, java.util. Interfaces. Collection, comparator, enumeration, iterator, list, list iterator, map, map.entry, navigable map, navigable set, random access, set, sorted map, sorted set, classes, array list, arrays, base 64, calendar, collections, currency, date, dictionary, formatter, Gregorian calendar, hash map, hash set, hash table, linked hash map, linked hash set, linked list, local, optional, properties, scanner, string tokenizer, timer, time zone, tree map, tree set, UUID. Java.sql. Interfaces. Connection, statement, prepared statement, callable statement, result set, database metadata, driver, globe, classes, driver manager, date, time, timestamp, types. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.